Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make praline candy in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. Prepare a large, microwave-safe bowl and line a baking sheet with parchment paper for later. Now, combine the sugar, butter, and evaporated milk in your microwave-safe bowl. Microwave the mixture on high for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to stir it well after each minute of cooking to ensure even heating. Keep a close eye on it. You're looking for a beautiful light golden brown color to develop, indicating it's almost ready for the next step. Once the mixture is a golden brown, carefully remove it from the microwave. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then quickly fold in the 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. Work fast, as the mixture will begin to set. Drop spoonfuls onto your prepared parchment paper, forming individual pralines. Allow them to cool completely for at least 30 minutes until firm. Your delicious microwave pralines are now ready to enjoy. They should be firm and have that wonderful crunchy texture. For optimal freshness, store your homemade pralines in an airtight container at room temperature. They make a fantastic treat or a thoughtful gift. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.